Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Toyota Sienna LE. You can see it's got the power sliding doors. We've got a brand new rear entry, wheelchair accessible conversion here. I can operate this entire conversion. We got the manual hatch. I can pinch, these clamps pinch and flip. I can operate this entire brand new conversion using only 2 fingers. So I pinch here, I flip it up, and I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 38 wide inch ramp with ease. That super wide bariatric ramp, it's 8 inches wider than most side entries, so if you're looking to carry a bigger chair or chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry vehicle, you cannot get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. And the rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including like snow and ice this time of year. Those side entries will bottom out pretty easy, but we do sell both. So if you're looking for side entry, let me know. Just giving you a few advantages to the rear entry. And the rear entry are more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. So a few of the reasons I prefer the rear over the side, but again, we've got both. 38 inch wide ramp, like I said, 55.5 inches coming inside the van, 56 inches of headroom once you're inside the van. Does taper down to about 36 inches of width here where the ramp sets, and we've got 8 tie down points. So you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. And we've got about 83 inches deep in here. So we have a competitor of ours, the deep cut is about 78 inches. Ours is 5 inches longer. You say, what's 5 inches? Well, if you're trying to get a gurney in here or 2 wheelchairs, that 5 inches is extra. That's something. So be sure to ask about those measurements before you buy. Between the second row of seats, there's about 23 inches of room there. We can even put a middle row flip base seat that flips up out of the way. We can put a third row bench seat back here that'll flip down, so you can potentially haul 6 people plus 2 wheelchairs. Talk to me about your measurements. Talk to me about how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Headliner's in great shape. You can see you got your rear air controls up there, cup holders for the passengers in the back, and the plug-ins for their cell phones. Got the upgraded Q-string tie downs. Those are high dollar. We throw them in at no charge to you. Got your warranty and instruction information there as well. Cup holders for the passengers in the back. I like these vinyl row, second row seats. They're nice in case you spill anything. More plug-ins. I got a real nice center console there. The dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Got your nice big touch screen there. Hand controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road while you're driving. And then you can close all the power sliding doors up here as well. So when you exit the vehicle, you just reverse the process when you got everybody secure. And again, check it out. 1 finger, that's all it takes. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. I mean, what do you expect them to say? I want you to ask them what their warranty is. They're probably going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 mile warranty on the conversion. Well, we have a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. So if theirs stops at 36,000 miles, ours goes unlimited. You tell me who has the better built conversion. It's got tinted windows in the back, got your alloy wheels. We just put 4 brand new Yokohama tires on this van. So the tires that were on it, they were fair. You know, they had the 38,000 miles on it, but we're going to take those and we're going to put them on a van that's not quite as new as this van, and we're going to save these brand new tires for this super nice van. So brand new tires on it. As I do a walk around, it's hard to find a dent or a scratch in this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it is very, very close. I'm looking hard. Very clean van. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number, not a picture, a video. That'll help you avoid scammers. I've been doing this for a long time, folks. Not just a picture, get you a video of that VIN number, and I'll show you just like I'm about to do right now. By the way, this is the hybrid, 36 miles a gallon. I know fuel is on the rise, and so is everything else. That video, that VIN number. That means the van's here in my possession. I cannot have that sticker unless the van's right here with me. So make sure you get a video of that. So yeah, 36 miles a gallon, great. If you're going to be driving quite a bit, save you a lot of money on fuel. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax report on every one of our vehicles. Carfax shows just 1 owner, no accidents or damage. Last owned as a rental vehicle in nice salt, rust-free Missouri. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rental vehicles. I would agree if it's a sports car. I don't think too many people say, honey, grab the kids, we're going to rent the minivan and go out and hot rod it this weekend. It means highway miles, and that's a good thing on a used vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. This is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, one owner, no accidents or damage. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags are never deployed, odometer's accurate, no open recalls, and you can see the warranty started 4/12/21, so it meets the specs to be under the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty until April 12th, 2026, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, look them up online, check out the reviews and ratings. Find us on eBay, 1,436 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback, 100%. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Make sure they are a real company. Look us up on Google. You can see we're here in Wichita, Kansas. We got 4.89 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time, they talk to me about how they bought a vehicle off a private individual, off Craigslist or Facebook, a deal that was just too good to be true. They end up getting scammed out of their life savings. They end up buying a complete lemon. I promise you, these scammers, they know what they're doing. They do this every day. You know, buy from a reputable dealer. And I talk to these people all the time. They buy from these dealers that had 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings, and the buyer did not look at the reviews of the seller, of the dealer. They end up buying from 1 and 2 and 3 star, dealers. You get bent frame, flood damage, mechanical issues. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3 star vans, you go ahead and buy from them. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years now, I look forward to your phone call. All right, back to the van. We do have the 1 key fob. Toyota right now is only making 1 key fob with their vans. Supply shortage. We have documentation from Toyota showing that is indeed the case. So I can't really get 2nd key fobs right now. You might check with your local Toyota dealer. I know they're hard to come by. Power driver's seat, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Interior looks darn near brand new, very clean. Just give you a little different perspective of the van. It's got the power doors like I showed you. If you want to turn the power doors off, say you're going to use this for commercial purposes, you're going to be in and out of those doors all the time, you can push that button right there with touch of a button. All right, so nice clean van. And what I do like about this push button start, if the key is in your pocket or your purse, just get in the van, put your foot on the brake, push the button there, and this being a hybrid, you can't even hear it running unless the battery needs charging, and the engine will run then. But it's got a full tank of gas, 6,495 miles on it. It's got your nice big backup camera there. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors, the windows, the locks, the heat, air, cruise. I'm going to show you these mirrors moving, the windows, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Take them on a road test, check tires, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just throw these vehicles in the lot, run them through the car wash. We're very thorough in everything we do, and I hope this video shows that. Underneath the hood, it's got the little 2.5 hybrid engine in here. It's running right now. You can't even hear it, so these things are completely silent unless they're charging. As they crawl underneath the van, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any fluid leaks. No signs of any rust from being up north or being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it's a low mileage Toyota, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it hasn't been in a bad accident. They assume it hasn't been in a flood. And that's the most dangerous thing you can do. Do not assume things. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition's website. That's right, I am sending you to the competition. Bring it on. And what I want you to ask yourself, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that hasn't been in a bad accident, no floods, nothing, a clean title, Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother getting pictures, much less a nice detailed video of the undercarriage? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please, I beg you, compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle that's got frame issues, whether it's from a flood or an accident? It may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into every video just like I do. Second, demand a Carfax report, not some cheap knockoff. I spend thousands of dollars a month in Carfaxes. I do it because I want to know what I'm buying, and more importantly, I want to know what I'm selling. Third, get online, find out their reputation, find out their reviews. We've already gone over this. Do your due diligence. As a buyer, you have the responsibility to do so. It's a dirty world out there. Make sure you do your due diligence. And finally, demand a warranty. Every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. This meets the specs for not only the warranty on the conversion, but also the powertrain warranty from Toyota. We stand behind our product. We make sure each van comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. So let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Sienna home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy, runs and drives nice down the highway. I'll pop it up to 70 miles an hour with traffic permitting. There we go. Got it up to 70 miles an hour. Good acceleration. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual noise or vibration. Runs and drives like a dang brand new van. It's got this brake assist up here. If I get up too close to somebody, it'll back me off. It'll apply the brake or take the foot off the gas. So great safety feature to have. It's got the lane departure warning, as you can see right there. So if I hit a bump. See that little lane departure warning? So if I start to fade out of my lane, this will do autocorrect and steers me right back into the lane. So great safety features to have, whether it's for you or your family or your business. You cannot afford an accident. And of course, you don't ever want to see anybody hurt, lawsuits, all that good stuff. So these safety features are great to have. I've got your sync your phone here as well, so people can talk while driving without having to be on their phone. Cruise control works great. So, and also keep in mind, we do have the powertrain warranty specs still in effect. We do offer long-term extended warranties that are bumper-to-bumper type warranties. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way out to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got a document fee, they got a tag fee, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So once you add up all their hidden fees, once you add up the shipping cost, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees and the shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional cost to you. Gave the van a nice hard brake coming down the ramp. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. And back to those fees, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, we talked about this earlier. These 1 and 2 and 3 star dealers, you know, people are hiding stuff all the time. So be aware of that. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Also got our dual climate control in here. So, and if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, super pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me and you're sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell the Sienna whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, or if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there and being patient with us. I know it's a long video. Give us a like on YouTube here, a little thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see our inventory coming in. And if you ever do want to come in, please make sure you make an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. We stay busy every second of the day. Call me, make that appointment. We're happy to spend some time with you. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos of every vehicle, just like this, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, all from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility 316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.